Welcome to my new tutorial on the SmartAssistant channel. In this video, I will show you how to add an analog clock to the home screen of your Samsung Galaxy phone. Personalizing your home screen can make your device not only more functional but also more visually appealing. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more useful tips. Let's get started. First, you need to open the settings. Then, scroll down a bit and find the home screen option and tap on it. Once you've done that, look for the option to lock the home screen layout, and if it's turned on, turn it off. This is necessary to be able to add an analog clock to the home screen. If this option is enabled, you won't be able to do it. So, now exit the settings and go to the home screen. When you're on the home screen, tap and hold an empty space until a menu with options appears. Now select Widgets. Next, find the clock app and tap on it. After that, find the analog clock, then tap and hold it, then drag it to the desired place on the home screen. You can place it wherever you want. Once you have placed the analog clock on the screen, you can also adjust its size. When you are satisfied with the position and size of the analog clock, release the widget and your new clock will be set on the home screen. If you want to remove the clock from the home screen, simply tap and hold it, then tap Remove, and that's it. This would also be the end of this video. See you very soon in my next video. Thank you for watching.